Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet super handy trick: how to disable the pop-up notifications for added you on Snapchat. If you've ever been interrupted by those sudden pop-ups every time someone adds you as a friend, you'll love this quick guide. Let's get right into it. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your phone settings. This is the control center where you can customize how apps behave on your device. Next, look for the Apps section. Depending on your phone, it might say Apps and Notifications or just Apps. Tap on it to see the full list of apps installed on your phone. Now scroll through and find Snapchat. Tap on it to open Snapchat's app-specific settings. Once inside Snapchat settings, you'll see various options. Tap on Notifications. This is where all notification preferences for the app are managed. Inside Notifications, look for Notification Categories. This section organizes different types of notifications you can customize individually. Under Notification Categories, find the group labeled Friends. Within that, tap on Added You. This is specifically the type of notification we want to adjust. Here's the key part. You'll see a toggle option called Show as Pop-up. If this setting is on, Snapchat will show those intrusive pop-up notifications whenever someone adds you. Simply toggle it off to disable those pop-ups. This means you'll still get notified, but without the annoying pop-up interruption. It's a subtle but effective change to keep your phone experience smoother. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the pop-up notifications for added you on Snapchat. This little tweak helps keep your phone calmer without missing out on important notifications. Feel free to explore other notification categories to customize your app experience even further. Thanks for watching.